Today, we bring you a customized MS2 full vibration environment and special large differential travel. Let's look at its dimension. First, 19.8mm * 6.4mm * 10.5mm. Let's look at the internal structure. Dust rings can be added. Dust ring, dry and dusty environment, increases the dust resistance at the bottom. Dust-proof design, dust trench design between cover and base. Prevent dust from entering through the cracks. Equidistant design, contact points can be avoided when vibrating. Constantly in an on-off state, designed for medical beds, vacuum cleaners, etc. Let's look at the various types and the levels. Widely used in all kinds of home appliances, and also can be used in such as vacuum cleaner, etc. appliances which works in bad conditions. MS2 Micro switch.